Have you ever noticed the loudest moments in life are often the quietest? Not because the world is silent, but because no one is there beside you. No messages, no calls, no applause, just you and your thoughts. And somehow, that silence feels heavier than any noise. People fear being alone, so they stay busy. They scroll, they chase attention. They fill every empty moment with noise. Not because they enjoy it, but because silence forces them to meet themselves. The truth is, you are not running from loneliness. You are running from the person you become when nobody is watching. Being alone isn't what's hurting you. Depending on other people to tell you your worth is. No one is coming to complete you. No one can build your confidence. No one can create your future. That responsibility has always belonged to you. And that is freedom. Maybe people left. Maybe they forgot you. Maybe life became harder than you expected. That pain is real. Feel it. But don't build your future inside it. Every difficult season is preparing someone stronger. Read, learn, train, build, create. Become someone who no longer needs permission to believe in themselves. The life you want begins the moment you stop waiting and start becoming. One day, the silence that once frightened you will become your greatest strength. You'll realize you were never abandoned. You were being prepared. The person who learns to stand alone can never truly be broken. The world may not always stay beside you, but you will always have yourself. Protect that person. Strengthen that person. Become that person. Unlock your inner code.